some are more expensive, some are cheaper, and so on. But you can get the details of what's in the room, like what's the actual layout of the room, what is the view of the room.
Scan it.
I feel like as a hotel, you can win a lot. So first, you create a service that allows you to have like high resolution data about a hotel. Then one hotel signs up for that. I would 100% use that website to look for a hotel instead of the crappy alternatives that don't give any information. And I feel like there'll be this pressure for all the hotels to join that site. And you can make a shit ton of money because hotels make a lot of money.
I think it's true, but the problem is with these hotels, like it's same with airline industry. Why does every airline website suck when you try book a flight?
Yeah.
It's like very strange. Like, why does it have to suck? Obviously, there's competition here. Why doesn't the best website win?
What's the explanation for that?
Man, I thought about this for years. So I think it's like, I have to book the flight anyway. Like, I know there's a route that they take, and I need to book, for example, Qatar Airlines, and I need to get through this process. So and with a hotel, similar. You need a hotel anyway. So do you have time to like figure out the best one? Not really. You kind of just need to get the place booked, and you need to get the flight, and you'll go through the pain of this process. And that's why this process always sucks so much with hotels and airline websites and stuff, because they don't have an incentive to improve it. Because generally, only for like a super upper segment of the market, I think, like super high luxury, it affects the actual booking, right?
I don't know. I think that's an interesting theory. I think there must be a different theory. My theory would be that great engineers, like great software engineers, are not allowed to make changes.
Yeah.
Basically, like there's some kind of bureaucracy. There's way too many managers. There's a lot of bureaucracy. And great engineers show up, they try to work there, and they're not allowed to really make any contributions, and then they leave. And so you have a lot of mediocre software engineers. They're not really interested in improving any other thing. And like literally, they would like to improve the stuff, but the bureaucracy of the place, plus all the bosses, all the high up people are not technical people probably.
Yeah.
They don't know much about web dev. They don't know much about programming. So they just don't give any respect. Like, you have to give the freedom and the respect to great engineers as they try to do great things. That feels like an explanation. Like if you were a great programmer, would you want to work at American Airlines or?
No.
I'm torn on that because I actually, as somebody who loves programming, would love to work at American Airlines so I can make the thing better.
Yeah, but I would work there just to fix it for myself, you know?
Yeah, for yourself. And then you just know how much suffering you alleviated.
Yeah,
how much
for the world, for society.
Just you imagine all the thousands, maybe millions of people that go to that website and have to click like a million times. It often doesn't work. It's clunky, all that kind of stuff. You're making their life just so much better. Yeah. But there must be an explanation that has to do with managers and bureaucracies. Like
I think it's money. Do you know Booking.com?
Sure.
So it's the biggest booking website in the world. It's Dutch actually. And they have teams, because my friend worked there. They have teams